Ever wondered where your digital assets are truly safe? In the wild west of cryptocurrency, security is king. We hear about hacks, scams, and lost funds all too often, making us question, is my crypto really secure on this platform? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically comparing Beam Wallet and Binance. Is one inherently safer than the other? Let's find out. First, let's set the stage. We have Beam Wallet, which is primarily a self-custody wallet designed to interact with the Beam privacy blockchain. Its core focus is on privacy and confidentiality, leveraging protocols like Mimblewimble and LalantisMW to ensure transactions are private and scalable. This means transaction details like amounts and parties involved are typically known only to the participants. Beam also supports confidential DeFi and NFTs, allowing for private transactions across its ecosystem. It emphasizes user control, with private keys staying on your device. You can integrate it with hardware wallets like Trezor for an extra layer of security. Then we have Binance, a colossal centralized exchange. Binance is not just a wallet, it's a massive platform for trading, staking, lending, and much more. They handle billions of dollars in transactions daily and serve millions of users worldwide. Because they are a centralized entity, they take on the responsibility of securing a vast amount of user funds. So, where does the safer argument come in? When you consider Beam Wallet, the safety largely comes from you. It's a self-custody solution. This means you hold your private keys. If you lose those keys, or if your device is compromised, your funds could be at risk. However, if you follow best practices, like backing up your seed phrase securely and using a hardware wallet, Beam Wallet offers a high degree of control and privacy. The privacy-centric design of the Beam blockchain itself adds a layer of security by making transactions less traceable, which can deter certain types of attacks. Binance, on the other hand, operates on a different model. Your funds are held by the exchange. This means you trust Binance with your assets. Binance implements extensive security measures, two-factor authentication, 2FA, real-time risk management systems that monitor suspicious activity, cold storage for the vast majority of user funds, meaning they're offline and less susceptible to hacking, data encryption, and robust access controls. They also have a secure asset fund for users, SAFU, to protect users in case of a major cybersecurity breach. While these measures are comprehensive, the inherent risk of a centralized exchange is that it's a single point of failure. A large-scale hack, though rare given Binance security, could impact many users. The key difference boils down to custody. With Beam Wallet, you maintain full custody. With Binance, you delegate custody to the exchange. For those who prioritize privacy and complete control over their assets, and are diligent about managing their private keys, Beam Wallet offers a compelling option. It's designed for users who want to truly be their own bank. For those who prefer the convenience of a centralized platform, access to a wide range of trading pairs, and rely on institutional-grade security measures without the burden of managing their own keys, Binance is a dominant choice. They invest heavily in cybersecurity, and their track record, despite being a high-value target, is strong. Ultimately, safer is subjective and depends on your risk tolerance, technical proficiency, and priorities. A self-custody wallet like Beam requires a higher degree of personal responsibility for security, while a centralized exchange like Binance takes on that responsibility, but with the trade-off of you not holding your own keys. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.